Hey Jeanette, my name is Larry Powell. I'm the owner of Circle P Marketing here at Eugene, Oregon. I called and talked to somebody at your guys' office this morning, and they told me that you would be the best person to send this video over to. I've been helping electricians all across the United States generate new leads, and wanted to send you guys some pointers on your guys' website today. Looking at content for your site, really like what you guys have going on. You have a fair amount of content on here. There was a recent study done by Google. 1 million different websites were in this study, and they found the top ranked sites oftentimes had at least 1,850 words. So you guys are definitely well on your way to that goal. Looking at your site, you guys have your contact info here. I would put this contact form on more than one page, but it definitely would be essential to have it on this home page. Make it easy for people to get a hold of you guys and input that information. My next recommendation would be to have this phone number be click to call wherever you guys have it listed on your site. But a lot of people are searching for electricians or really any kind of service-based industry. They're doing these searches from their cell phones. So having these numbers be click to call where people can just click on this phone number and it's automatically shooting over to your guys' office there would definitely help you guys out with your client conversions once you're getting people to your site. Looking at the search results today, I have you guys sitting at 18th here for electrician Eugene, Oregon. Kind of how the search results work is you have your organic rankings, which is what I'm showing you guys right now. Then you have your Google Map Pack, and this is a very valuable territory to get into. This is based off of where you guys are ranking organically, and also a combination with your citations. So citations, what those are is it's any mentioning of your guys' business name, phone number, and address on the web. So having enough citations to where you're outranking your competition could get you guys into this, and combining that with your organic search results would really kind of guarantee you guys get into this in this location here. Search results, what you can kind of figure is if you're in this top spot for Google, you're about 33% of all search volume is going to be clicking on your website. You know, for electrician Eugene, there's a lot of these big web directories like Yelp and Angie's List. These are very easy to pass up just because Google does really prefer the small mom and pop shops over these big national directory sites. So seeing this stuff on here really looks good for you guys if you are wanting to try to really boost up your internet rankings. Looking at your guys' website today, sorry, give me just one sec here. I have this website I use, it's called Ahrefs, and what this does is it allows me to kind of dive into the inner workings of your website and look and see what you guys have going on as far as backlinks. What backlinks are is it's any what you're doing is you're linking site A to site B, and in turn you're getting some of this backlink juice from site A to site B. So what that means is you have a popular site and you're getting some of this popularity coming to your site through this backlink. And so what you're looking for with these backlinks is you want to make sure that they're do follow, which you guys have 6 referring do follow domains, and that you're also getting quality, so ones that are relevant to the electrical industry will also help you guys out a lot more. So you guys have 6 of these, as I mentioned. Looking at your competition, Contractors Electric is the #1 ranked for electrician Eugene. And they have 24 do follow referring domains. So beefing that up and getting past that 24, definitely a doable task that really help you guys out with your organic rankings. Looking at their site, they don't really have a lot going on as far as content wise. So that would definitely help you guys out to allow you to jump over the competition there. I had mentioned the citations. Looking at citations, you guys have 43. Contractors Electric has 42, but because they are in that top ranked spot organically, that's the reason why they're still getting into that map pack. So beefing up your guys's and moving up the rankings for your organic listings would definitely help you guys get into that map pack as well. If you have any questions on any of this, feel free to reach out. I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.